Flousing.
Whether from your living room, your backyard, or even the beach, music sounds best when it's shared through the Cube 4. Whether from your living room, your backyard, or even the beach, music sounds best when it's shared through the Cube 4. Most portable speakers you see on the market today are either small, with poor sound quality and low volume, or large, but with a distorted sound and inconveniently heavy. Cube 4 plays your music the way it was intended, with deep bass and true highs, without distortion, even when turned all the way up. And with its high volume and premium bass levels, its concert-like sound quality and reach is unmatched, indoors and outdoors. Cube 4 is made to fill wide-open spaces with life-size sound. And while you're on the go, stay connected with up to 40 hours of battery life. You can start the party on the spot and keep it going all day and night. Cube 4 works with one simple connection using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so you can turn on your Cube 4 and press play. That's it. No wires, no cables, no outlet. The Cube 4's housing is a painted marine-grade plywood with sealed enclosures and passive radiators for the base, all working together to give the Cube 4 its superior weather resistance. The sophisticated materials and seamless construction makes Cube 4 highly durable with a rating of IPX5. This means the speaker can resist a sustained low-pressure water jet spray. And you can take the Cube 4 on the water or in the snow. It stands up to humidity, rain, snow, dust, salt spray, UV rays, and extreme heat and cold. On top of all of that, there's an additional feature of PA mode, which allows you to connect a wireless microphone and have an instant PA system right at your fingertips. Perfect for events and meetings, or anytime you want to hold the audience's attention. You can also connect Cube 4 with Spotify, AirPlay 2.0, or the new Cube Sync app, which allows you to connect up to 32 speakers for a multi-room music experience, or stream different songs to different spaces through the multi-channel functionality. With Americans spending more than 32 hours a week listening to music, people need a speaker solution that's portable yet powerful, with unmatched quality that can be
You been flossing regularly?
Yeah.
We both know that's bullshit, Dave.
He's not a real dentist, but he gets the patients to floss.
We both know you haven't been flossing. Now let's hear your reasons why.
Can you take this out first?
Dean, Dr. Martin is just really passionate about flossing.
Yeah, I'm passionate about flossing. I'm undercover here for FLAUS. Nobody has a clue. Have you considered flousing?
Flossing?
Flousing.
Flossing?
Flousing.
Lousing.
Flousing.
Lousing.
Flousing.
I'm supposed to watch the commercial. Yeah, okay, we're watching the commercial. Okay, so I won't forget to floss.
Flaus, Dave. Flaus. Look at that smile, Dave. You can have that smile.
I want that smile.
You're gonna get that smile. You don't have to put your fingers in your mouth. It's easy to get to the tough spots. Literally every problem I've ever heard about flossing is solved with flousing.
And it's perfect for traveling.
You were made for travel,
I agree.
and FLAUS was made for you.
I agree. Is there a FLAUS in my little gift bag thingy?